Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create this type of custom checkbox using HTML and CSS only. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that I have two files. The one is index.html and the second is style.css. Inside index.html I will create a basic HTML structure and here I will type custom checkbox. Next, inside the body, create a label element and type an ID here like box1, and inside this label element I will create an input element and I will copy this ID and paste this ID here. And next we have to create a span element inside this label element, and here I will use I element to display our icon. First of all, here we have to convert this to checkbox. So you can see that this is our checkbox, and you can see that I have zoomed in my this web page to 300%, so you can see the output more clearly. So here we have to use font awesome icon to add the font awesome CDN. Just search for here font awesome CDN, click on this first website. The website name is cdnjs.com, and from here we have to click on this copy link tag and paste this inside your head section. Now we can use font awesome icons, so I will type here a class like FA sun. So you can see a sun icon here and a checkbox. Next, open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Next, copy this body element and paste this element here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, and minimum height 100 vh. And in the index.html, I will link this CSS file with my HTML code, so you can see that the style is implemented. Basically, the purpose of these four properties is to put our body element exactly at the center position of my screen. Next, I have to copy this label element and paste this element here and type position relative width 150 pixel, height 75 pixel, background color this color code, and here in the body element we have to type background color this color code. Next, type here border radius 10 pixel and cursor pointer. So you can see that when user will mouse over our this label element, our cursor will look like this, and otherwise it will look like a pointer. I means like this. So next we have to copy this label element and paste this element here, and from index.html copy this input element and paste this element here and type here appearance none. So you can see that it is hidden. We don't want to display our input type checkbox, but we want to use it. Not want to display, but we want to use it. So next we have to copy this label element and paste this element here, and from index.html copy this span element and paste this element here. Basically this span element is the game changer. You will see now, this is the main part of our video. Just type here position absolute width 75 pixel. I means the half of our this width, height 75 pixel. It means equal to height of our label. Left 0, top 0, background color, copy this color code and paste here, and border 5 pixel solid, copy this color code and paste this code here. Border radius 10 pixel means equal to this, and transition 0.5 second. And next we want to display our this icon at this center position, so I will type here display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Next, copy these two elements and paste these elements here and type here I, color white, and font size 1.7 rem. Next we have to type here label and then type here input colon check. It means that what will happen then when user will check this checkbox. So type here this symbol and a span. It means that we want to give style to our span element, which is exist here when user will check this checkbox. So I will type here just a one property left 75 pixel. So you can see that when user will check this checkbox, our this span element will move here. And the reason it took 0.5 second because we have typed this transition 0.5 second property in our span element. Next we have to copy these all words and paste these words here and type here I. It means that what style I want to give to my this I element, means my this icon when our checkbox will be checked. So I will type here a shadow property, not drop shadow but filter, drop shadow, and type here 005 pixel and white color. And then we have to copy this drop shadow property and type space, not comma, type these properties 3 times, and here just type 10 pixel, and here I will type 15 pixel. So you can see that our this icon will look like this when user will click on the checkbox. So friends, we have completed our code. I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with this type of videos. And finally, thanks for watching.